So hi, welcome back to my channel. Once again I'm going discussing about another technical aspect which name is a volume indicator. So every trader should need to know about that because the price is going up or the price is going down, it is because of the volume. So every trader should need to know about that. So if you have properly knowledge of about the volume indicator, so you can easily identify the price action. So it is very important. Every trade strategy are working on the volume, so it is very important strategy. So let's get start the explanation of volume indicator. So before starting the video, I request all newcomer friend, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon to watch our tactical analysis or other price action video first of all. In this video we will discuss about the volume, what is volume, and how the volume is affect the market or a price action. In the stock market or commodity market, how many people sell out or how many people buy the coin. So this information is given by volume. So the selling average and the buying average is called volume. So you can easily identify and you can see in the photo how many of people sold out or how many people buy the coin in the whole day. So let me show how the volume affect the price. So you can see on the screen the price action is uptrend and volume is also shows the uptrend. So it's mean that the bullish will be continuous until you can see the bearish strategy or bearish signal. And similar of that, when the price is going down or the market is downtrend and the volume shows the uptrend, so you can easily say that the market bearish will be continuous until you not found the bullish signal or bullish strategy. So let me show another aspect of volume indicator, which is trend reversal. You can easily identify the bearish signal and bullish signal. So you can see on the screen when the price goes up or the market is uptrend and volume indicator shows downtrend, so it's mean that the bullish market will be finished soon and the bearish market will be coming. So it's mean that the trend reversal. And similarly of that, when the market is downtrend and volume indicator shows uptrend, so it's mean that the bearish trend line will be finished soon and bullish will become.